Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters, today we are here at.
Slice of the Six.
And where is it located, bro?
It's in Mississauga near Malton Masjid.
We're here for Sehri. We're going to give you the best Sehri promo. And we're going to give you the best eat promo. So let's go inside. We have a special guest, Salman Daraboy, with us today. You guys are going to be happy to see him to give our food review. Let's go inside and see what this pizza store is all about.
Maulana, we have someone else here with us
Which
too.
Salman am I speaking today? Salman 1, Salman 2?
Salman Daraboy.
Salman Daraboy, and this is Salman. Okay, guys. Salman bhai, good to have you here today.
So as you guys can see, they have a really nice setup. You guys can come here, enjoy your food, and enjoy the fresh food actually.
Pizza, bro.
Yeah, they have pizzas and I think their Philly cheesesteak there too. So
Salman, we're after. So you're down for suhoor.
Yeah, for
Philly.
sure. After Tarawih, you gotta have a nice food.
Okay, inshallah. Okay, guys, I have the owner with me, Shabbir bhai, mashallah, the owner of the Slice of the Six. Shabbir bhai, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you, Shabbir bhai?
Alhamdulillah.
First of all, it's an amazing experience to have Sehri with you today, inshallah. I know you're going to go home, but we're going to have Sehri, inshallah.
Inshallah.
So, Shabbir bhai, how long have you been here?
Before the pandemic, 2019, probably October 19.
So, how did you come up with this idea? Are you specializing in pizza? Do you know how to make pizza? Like, what came in your mind?
Honestly, my wife has been working in this industry for like 20 years, different restaurants,
Mashallah.
and they always have some kind of
So, I heard you have 16 different types of pizzas.
just mashallah. Yes, we do.
And all are top of the line. Which one will you recommend?
Six specialty tandoori chicken pizza, mashallah.
And where do you get your chicken and meat from?
Sergeant Farm, Al Ahad, and
Halko.
and Halko as well. Yes.
Okay, mashallah, mashallah.
Everything coming from Halko.
100% halal,
100%
mashallah.
hands-rolled halal.
And I know you guys are famous. You have cheesecakes, you have samosas. What's the specialty about your samosa?
Samosa is homemade. We make it right here in house,
Mashallah.
and the cheesecake we all getting from the
And your Philly, Salman's a Philly cheesesteak lover.
Philly. Inshallah, you're gonna try that today. You're gonna love it.
So this calls for a wajiba, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Khalas. Okay guys, so this is their 6 specialty pizza. It has a lot of things on it. It's Sehri time, my mouth's watering, and I have friends with me who are watching me right now. And we have someone bringing, this crust looks nice and thin. This crust looks nice. I don't know if I should resemble it with pizza, but it looks nice and thin. Bismillah. Bismillah. This is a fully loaded pizza. I'm liking the crust a lot, Salman. Let's see. I think in pizza, if the crust is good, everything is good. This is a lot of meat.
They have a special sauce on top.
Amazing, amazing. So guys, I like the crust. I like the crust a lot. It's nice and fluffy and very light. So they have chicken, they have meat, they have special sauce, they have sausages, they have everything's fully loaded. It's nice. It's for Sehri. I think it's one of the best Sehris. Enjoy.
So I'm gonna be trying.
Brother, what do you mean so? I always interrupt his Philly, he has something with Philly.
I have to try out the Philly cheesesteak, every single time because it's one of my favorites, and I love trying out different Philly cheesesteaks. This looks good, so I'm gonna give it a try, inshallah.
Bismillah, brother. Bismillah.
They should cut this in half. It's pretty big.
Chalo ji. Let's see. Sorry. Okay, so Salman's famous second bite.
For sure. It needs a second bite.
Guys. सलमान को सलमान देख रहे हैं सलमान भाई hungry right now
It's Sehri time. I'm hungry.
Salman bhai, meri bari ko. Salman bhai, go ahead. Bismillah.
So, I'm a big fan of Poutine, and this looks really delicious. Let's give it a try.
Yeah.
MashaAllah, excellent.
What do you say about Philly, boy?
Philly cheesesteak is really good, mashallah.
Good.
It's really nice.
And if
And
you
we
can-
also have
yeah.
the meat lovers pizza. So it's different types of meat with pepperoni. Amazing, delicious.
So,
Slice of 6 is the place to come.
wow, Salman bhai, aaj to aap chha gaye hain, Salman bhai.
So we have these peri peri chicken on fries. I'm gonna give it a try, inshallah, and see what it tastes like.
Looks delicious, man, Salman.
It tastes really nice, mashallah. It deserves.
Second bite.
Yeah. They have a special type of seasoning on it. Tastes really good.
I find this to be very unique, this menu, the entire menu here today. Different tastes, especially the samosas also.
Yeah, they have a lot of variety, mashallah.
And there's this poutine, and this pizza has
5 different types of meats on it. So
wow. I didn't ask, but yeah, this is a
So-
fully loaded pizza also.
it's a must try.
Okay, guys, this is not a competition between me and Salman. We're just tasting. Okay, no competition. Salman bhai, go ahead. Try. This is hot honey garlic.
These wings look pretty big in size.
Nicely cooked, excellent flavor.
You know, Salman bhai with me, coming soon with his own food vlogs. He's a great foodie. His reviews are authentic. That's why we brought him today.
Morana, it's freezing, huh?
I know it's freezing, but it's worth the drive coming here and taking part in suhoor here. Alhamdulillah, one of the best places if you want to come. Fridays, Saturdays, you're open till 4 o'clock in the morning. So it's your best option for suhoor. They have many variety, lots of things. Salman, what's the promo?
So starting tomorrow, using our promo code, you'll get 10% off until April 30th. So until the end of Ramadan, you guys can enjoy the promo, enjoy their food in iftar or suhoor. You guys will love it, inshallah.
It's cold.
So see you guys,
Wassalamu alaikum.
inshallah, in the next vlog. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.